Here are the steps for applying a UV phone screen protector. 1. Prepare the environment. Ensure the working area is clean and dust-free to prevent any particles from getting trapped under the screen protector. 2. Prepare the phone. Most phones have a protruding camera lens, making it difficult to keep them level on a flat surface. Use a stand or support to keep the phone screen level. This is crucial because UV glue is liquid and needs a level surface to spread evenly. If the phone is not level, the glue may flow into unwanted areas, causing issues like reduced speaker volume, jammed buttons, or even screen damage. 3. Clean the screen. Wipe the screen thoroughly with the provided wet wipe to remove any stubborn stains. Dry the screen with the provided dry wipe. If there are still particles on the screen, use the dust sticker to remove them. Check the screen from various angles to ensure there are no dust particles left. Make sure the phone is perfectly level. Open the UV glue and drop the entire content in the center of the phone screen, allowing it to spread out evenly. If you notice any small bubbles, carefully pop or remove them. Take the tempered glass screen protector and remove its protective layer. Slowly and gently place the protector on the screen. The slower you go, the better, as it allows the UV glue to spread evenly without creating bubbles. The UV glue will spread under the weight of the tempered glass. Avoid touching it and let it flow naturally. If the glue starts to pull in one corner, gently lift and adjust the phone to encourage the glue to spread evenly. If there are still a few small bubbles, gently push them towards the edge and out. Before curing, you can still adjust the position of the screen protector to ensure it's centered. Use a cloth to wipe off any excess glue that has seeped out, ensuring to do this before the glue cures. Turn on the UV light and start curing the glue. Move the light to ensure even exposure across the entire screen, which typically takes about 2 minutes. Do not move the phone until the glue has fully cured. After curing, clean the screen thoroughly to remove any remaining residue. The screen protector application is complete. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully apply a UV phone screen protector.